But I can tell you, I did speak to Prime Minister Modi. He's not in a good mood about what's going on with China.
अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप के उस दावे को भारत ने गलत बताया है जिसमें उन्होंने कहा था कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी से बात की थी। ट्रंप ने दावा किया था कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी से बातचीत के दौरान भारत और चीन के बीच बड़े टकराव को लेकर वह अच्छे मूड में नहीं थे।
Are you worried about the situation on the border between India and China?
India. He loves India so much. He's never asked a question other than an India question, and that's okay. I just got back from India, right? I just beat COVID.
You're very
I got back. I know. They like me in India. I think they like me in India certainly more than the media likes me in this country. And I like Modi. I like your Prime Minister a lot. He's a great gentleman. Great gentleman. Yeah, they have a big conflict going with India and China. Is that what you're talking about?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
They have a big conflict going with India and China. Two countries with 1.4 billion people. Two countries with very powerful militaries. And India's not happy and probably China's not happy. But I can tell you, I did speak to Prime Minister Modi. He's not in a good mood about what's going on with China.
ANI को विदेश मंत्रालय के सूत्रों ने बताया है कि पीएम मोदी और अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप के बीच हाल ही में कोई संपर्क नहीं हुआ है। उनके बीच अंतिम बातचीत 4 अप्रैल 2020 को हाइड्रोक्सीक्लोरोक्विन के विषय पर हुई थी।
See, on developments on the LAC, I had conveyed last week that our troops have taken a very responsible approach towards border management and strictly follow the procedures laid out in various bilateral agreements and protocols with China to resolve any issue that may arise in the border areas. The two sides have established mechanisms both at military and diplomatic levels to resolve situations which may arise in border areas peacefully through dialogue. We continue to remain engaged through these channels. India is committed to the objective of maintenance of peace and tranquility in the border areas with China, and our armed forces scrupulously follow the consensus reached by our leaders and the guidance provided. At the same time, we remain firm in our resolve to ensuring India's sovereignty and national security. We have engagement both at the military level and at the diplomatic level through established channels to resolve these issues. And to give you a background, since 1993, India and China have signed several bilateral agreements and protocols to ensure peace and tranquility in the India-China border areas. These established mechanisms include, there are 5 agreements. The first is the 1993 Agreement on Maintenance of Peace and Tranquility along the line of actual control in the India-China border areas. Then there is this 1996 Agreement on Confidence Building Measures in the military field along the LAC. A protocol on modalities for the implementation of confidence building measures in the military field along the LAC, signed in 2005. There is a 2012 agreement on the establishment of a working mechanism for consultation and coordination on India-China border affairs. And then there is a 2013 Border Defense Cooperation Agreement. What I can tell you is that our engagement at the diplomatic level also continues between both sides, both in Delhi as well as in Beijing.